Yay, chickens!
Quiz time with
I'm
Ange.
gonna quiz you.
Okay.
What kind of chickens are these? Because you have
Non-GMO Rainbow Rangers, Ange.
All right.
They're yellow.
No, they're not. They're red.
Red?
They're red and brown.
What? Why they're red? These are the middle things. Chickens. They actually like chicken nuggets. They're all like tasty because they're chicken. They're like chicken nuggets.
Yeah, they are. There he is!
Yay!
He's coming!
Nothing to see here. It was loud in there. Oh, we gotta find a little soft man.
Daddy, so cute.
You like them?
It's okay.
So 8 weeks ago, we ended up getting 25 laying hens from Meyer Hatchery, and as soon as they hit the 8-week mark, we introduced them to our other hens, and then soon came the meat birds. And I'm going to show you this brooder that Ange built himself, and it's super cool. So this is the new brooder my husband made, and it's for our laying hens and our meat birds, because we plan on getting those every single year. And so this just makes it super easy. Our chicken coop is directly right next to me, and so where we were keeping our chickens was right below where we lived, and it's just, if you know where we live comparatively to the chicken coop, it's just far away. It's not super practical. Our feed is in separate areas, so this makes it so our birds are right next to our other birds, and it's just way more sturdy. There's a cover on top of it so they can't just fly out of the stock tank. They have more room, and it's all together just super practical for us since we plan on getting birds every single year. So I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour of it, but right now it's just being held together by this bungee cord, and then this comes off and you just close it down. So I'll give you guys a little look. So this is the top of it. This is the inside of it. So our chicken coop is right here. So the door to our coop and our birds. So we have our sweet cows. We have the garden, which I plan on making a lot of gardening videos because this is my happiest place on our property. I spend nearly all day in here. I love it so much. And then we have Ange is putting some cattle fence around each one of our apple trees that we planted. So we have around, I don't know, 15 to 17. I'll make a whole video on that, but just getting some farming stuff done today. But a lot of projects going on because spring is here and Lacey's walking all over my cut flower garden. So that is gardening with kids. Hey, you're on my flowers. And here is what I'm planting. This is our chicken tractor. I've had it in a couple of our videos. We do have a video on how to build it, materials list, how much it costs. So I'll include that right up here. But This is our chicken tractor. So at 4 weeks, our little baby chicks will go into here, and we have a tow strap on it. So we will hook the side-by-side up to it and pull it on to new grass, a new patch of new grass every single day. So that's where our little chicks are gonna be in 4 weeks. Okay, as Ange is doing the trees, he's gonna talk about how long until the meat birds get processed and that stuff.
Yeah, the rainbow rangers get processed anywhere between 9 and 10 weeks.
Aren't the Cornish ones like 8 weeks?
Yeah,
they're just
Cornish ones are earlier. So we're gonna do it at 10 weeks, and they're gonna be in the brooder for 4 weeks, and then we're gonna take them out and put them in the chicken tractor for the next 6 weeks. I think they're a heritage breed where they're not so they don't grow so fast. It's not a ton of stress on their organs and stuff like Cornish crosses. I heard it's a better quality meat, so I'm sure we'll try Cornish cross at some point, but I just like the idea of letting these go a little bit longer for a better tasting meat. So, and they're non-GMO too.
Yes.
Mamma mia! Mamma, Lisa, say Mamma mia! Mamma mia! We're making a pizza. No.
Thank you for watching Homestead.
Now we're making a sourdough pizza to end the night. We hope you have a good time with your family.
Yep.
And we hope you have a good dinner.
Yeah. Making pizza.
We're making a pizza to end the night.
Yep. Okay, we're back.
Watching our video and our first ever meat chickens, and we'll bring you guys along on the process of what it's like to have meat birds in our gardening